Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook street tacos. You will begin by gathering your chosen protein, such as carne asada or al pastor, and all your fresh produce. Ensure your workspace is clean and ready for preparation. This careful initial setup makes the entire cooking process smoother and more enjoyable, leading to truly delicious results everyone will love. Taking these first steps ensures a fantastic foundation for your meal. Next, let's focus on the heart of your tacos, the protein. Select a robust marinade that complements your chosen meat, whether it is beef, pork, or chicken. Allow the meat to soak up all those incredible flavors for a minimum of 2 hours. Overnight is even better for deep penetration. Before hitting the heat, always pat the meat thoroughly dry with paper towels to ensure a beautiful, golden brown sear, rather than just steaming it. The perfect street taco also relies heavily on its tortillas and vibrant toppings. Gently warm each corn tortilla on a dry skillet over medium heat for about 30 seconds per side, making them soft and flexible. Arrange your essential toppings, including finely diced white onion, fresh chopped cilantro, and your favorite salsa, within easy reach. Do not forget a generous squeeze of fresh lime. Its bright acidity cuts through richness and truly elevates every single bite. Now comes the satisfying part, assembling your delicious street tacos. Place a hearty portion of your perfectly cooked and sliced meat onto the center of each warmed tortilla. Follow this with a small but impactful sprinkle of the diced white onion and fresh cilantro. Finish with a drizzle of your favorite salsa, perhaps a spicy red or a zesty green. Always serve these incredible creations immediately, alongside extra lime wedges for a fresh burst of flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.